Cote d'Ivoire is the third fastest growing economy in Africa behind Ethiopia and Ghana. According to the World Bank, it will grow over 7% this year. Cocoa remains the backbone of the economy, making up for 10% of its GDP.
Cote d'Ivoire is known as a country that leads, especially in terms of cocoa. Cote d'Ivoire is the first producer of cocoa in the world, okay? In fact, our economy initially has been based on cocoa. However, now we are opening the economy to mining, to energy, infrastructure, and even services.
Despite producing 30% of the global cocoa and turning impressive growth rates above 8% since 2012, 40% of the population are poor. Many farmers, too, live in poverty.
In order for the farmer to make more of their production, we need to process more at home. The World Bank has done is to give us the opportunity to borrow $300 million that will be targeted toward cocoa processing. So in doing that, we believe that the farmers' revenue will grow and the economy will be better.
One of Africa's largest banks has opened a fully licensed branch in Abijan. It will enable investment in infrastructure and other sectors of the economy.
And Abijan and Cote d'Ivoire seemed like a very natural fit for us to get a foothold in Francophone West Africa. Very sophisticated financial services market, a growing economy, stable politically, and it was a good place to base ourselves and then look to expand.
Standard Bank's latest investment expands its footprint to 20 African countries on the African continent. Its presence in Cote d'Ivoire will strengthen its business in West Africa, where the bank hopes to gain access to some of the fastest growing African economies, including Niger, Senegal, and Burkina Faso.
The West African Monetary Union offers a range of diverse economies with a single currency pegged to the euro, a single legal system, single central bank. It really is quite easy. Once you're established in one market, you're then able to move relatively easily to another.
West Africa, like other parts of the continent, is still, however, grappling with high rates of unemployment and poverty. Its hope to move towards more diversified economies will help tackle these challenges. Scheier, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.